I get a lot of questions about the idea of a right AIC pattern. So a lot of people think that they are actually a right AIC pattern instead of a left AIC pattern. So what does that actually mean? Remember, the left AIC pattern is when a pelvis on the left side comes forward and the right side is back. That is the primary patterned position that the pelvis will be found in. Some people think that they're the other way around, that they have a right AIC pattern, which would be a right pelvis forward and a left pelvis back. And my response is, it's highly doubtful that you actually are a right AIC. I have never seen it. I'm pretty sure other instructors have said that they've never seen it either. And generally I'll never say it's impossible for it to happen. I'm just going to say it's extremely, extremely rare. And the reason is this. So in this little model here, you'll see, well, I hope you see, that this right diaphragm and the left diaphragm. The right diaphragm is bigger and stronger. It attaches lower on the spine. It actually comes up a little bit higher, which is hard to do with cardboard paper. And because they both attach to the spine, the lumbar vertebrae, and remember the right side is attaching lower, so it has a better line of pull. Because they both attach to the spine, and they contract with every breath you take, that's anywhere between 20,000 and 23,000 breaths a day, they are going to exert a force on the spine. And that force is not even, it's not equal, because the right side is bigger and stronger than the left side. Over time, if the right side contracts or is stronger, it's going to side bend us to the right and rotate us to the right. And that's going to happen at the lower back area, right down here. So this is kind of what we're looking at. All right, this is the right side, right side. It will bring the sacrum, I got too many things here. It will bring the sacrum to the right. And at that point, the left pelvis comes forward. So the reason that you are not a right AIC pattern is because of this indisputable fact that the right diaphragm is bigger and stronger than the left diaphragm, and because it will rotate your lower spine to the right and side bend you to the right, when this occurs for too long, the left pelvis will come forward because the sacrum has to go forward. And that is why virtually everybody ends up as a left AIC pattern, meaning the left pelvis is forward and the whole pelvis is oriented to the right. Everything I talk about in these videos, I know from direct personal experience, and this information can be life-saving, and it really was for me. So if you could like, share, comment, or subscribe to the channel, it would result in greater viewing, and more people would benefit from this information too.